Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the bedding upgrade is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Sturdy and secure design, our bed rails for elderly features an expanded base for enhanced stability, ideal for that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Customizable fit, height adjusts from 18-inch 26, with a base that extends 17.5, 21.5 under the mattress for added. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Comfortable grip, anti-slip grip, foam handle treatment makes this bed guardrail feel soft and safe. Weather. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are comfort upgrade, better sleep, and soft support. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that first of all, this product is a pain to put together. My simple verdict: the bedding upgrade looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.